You open Dia for the first time and immediately it feels different. No tabs, no top bar, just a blank space asking you to start a workspace. That's the first thing you notice. Dia doesn't try to look like Chrome or Safari. It's not pretending to be familiar. It wants you to think differently. So you create a workspace, maybe for research, writing, or planning a project. Inside, you open cards instead of tabs. A card can be a website, a note, or a task. You can move them around, close them, and organize them however you want. It's like a physical desk, not a digital filing cabinet. That's impression one. It's cleaner. The user interface gets out of the way, no constant toolbars, no plugin noise, just space to work. It forces you to focus. That's impression two. It's faster than expected. Then you try offline mode. You save a few pages and test them with Wi-Fi off. They stay readable, navigable, notes still work. That's impression three. It gives you control. But it's not perfect. There's no extension support yet. You miss your password manager. You can't sync workspaces across devices. Some gestures are new, like opening a new card with shortcuts, and they take time to learn. First impression, it's refreshing. It's weird and it's promising. Dia isn't just a new browser, it's a new mindset.